Hey guys, this is Mario Productions Gaming here, and today I am recording a video about fidget spinners. These things. Sorry about that. I have an LED one. I have an orange one that one of my friends fixed. I'm probably getting it back I'm most likely getting it back either next week or the week after that. I'm going to turn the lights on real quick, so yeah. And yeah, now all I have to do is make it spin, so I'm going to have to put down the camera for this one. Okay? Be right back. Okay guys, got the fidget spinner spinning. Now, it looks so cool, but it's really not spinning like that in real life. Here you go. Looks so cool. This thing looks so cool. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go show you something. One sec. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. I need to show you what it looks like in the dark. This is the only dark here. This is what it looks like in the dark. I know, it looks so cool. This is what it looks like spinning. One sec, guys. I wish I had like a stand to help me film this. Yeah, it looks so cool, guys. Looks so cool. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Sorry about this, guys. I know I'm only so, guys, I can only record this 11 minutes because of my SD card. I don't even think I have an SD card here. One sec. I don't even have an SD card. Guys, I don't even have an SD card. So how am I even recording this right now, you ask? I don't know. It's just magic. Okay, there's one trick I want to show you guys. One sec. Let me flip the camera over. Okay. Okay, you guys. I know. One sec. We got it spinning. Okay. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you just have to get it spinning, and then you just, they just make it jump up. It looks so cool when the lights are actually on. Let me give you a quick clip. The lights don't look that cool in real life. As cool as they look on the camera, they don't look as cool as they look right now. Off camera. Just filming. Darn. Okay. Darn. I don't have to put the camera down for this one. Sorry about this. This is what the lights look like. They look like that. Sorry about that. Let me turn them back on. They look like that. So cool. I am not doing any giveaways for these. I didn't even buy this. It was my grandma. Yeah. So I could save. Okay. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will comment back to you if you comment that you're subscribed. I'm doing a sub for sub, so if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you. You'll just have to comment that you subscribe to me, and then I will subscribe back to every single one of you. And before I go, you better not. One thing, you better not fake it. Sorry about that. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the other channels. Mario Productions Vlogs, Mario Reacts, Paper Mario Productions, and Mario Productions. See y'all later. Peace out.